Hi guys, welcome back to Kipesha Cooks. I am so happy to see you back to my channel, and you're welcome. Make sure to subscribe. Today we are going to prepare chicken using herbs, that is rosemary, honey and lemons, and making sure that we bake it inside the oven for that sweet juicy taste. So join me, enjoy. So this is my half chicken. I'm going to season it a bit with salt. Then I'll go in with my crushed garlic. I've used like 2 of them because my chicken is not a lot. Then this is fresh rosemary. You can use these fresh ones or the ones that are packed in the spice jars in the supermarket. So you're going to crush them and add them into your bowl. This is half a lemon. I will squeeze the lemon juice out. Then with my hands, I will mix properly, making sure that everything is incorporated. On your baking tray, you will line it with a foil, like so. At this point, make sure that your oven is heating up as you prepare your chicken. Then you place your chicken on the baking tray. If you have this spice called chica, you can use it. It's not a must. I like it because it has a mint taste to it, and it's also chili. You can add that if you have it, but if you don't you worry, it doesn't affect how the outcome will be. So there you are, it is ready for the oven. You're going to place it in your oven and leave it to cook for about 30 minutes, making sure that you've turned the chicken, and so that it can cook on both sides. So after 20 minutes, it looks like this. I chunguliaed into my oven. Now I'm preparing a sauce. So this is a dark soy sauce, 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, we're going to mix that up very well. You will take out your chicken and pour in this sauce. I like this part because chicken with honey tastes really nice together with herbs and lemon, so it's a good way to spice up your chicken by using honey. So now you will make sure that you close your chicken you enclose it inside a foil. Then you take it back to the oven. Give it 15 minutes, that's good time. You can keep turning it, opening it to see if it has cooked. Right now it's really hot, so be careful. If you're not satisfied with how it has cooked and you want it to cook completely, you can close it again and take it back to the oven. This is how I liked it, very brown, well cooked, and that is it. You have baked your chicken using herbs, lemon, and honey, and I assure you it's going to be delicious. So I had taken it back to the oven after turning it, and now I'm opening it to see.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.